get total size of my hard drive in Linux using the command line without root permissions? I'm trying to find out the total size of my hard drive using dfh, but it prints the size of each partition and requires sudo. Is there any way to get total size of my hard drive using the command line without requiring root permission?
A hacky way is to bypass the need for sudo by reading out the system log with. Please note that this might not be ideal, so your mileage may vary.
If you want the size in bytes and only the value, for example for scripting, v. output in bytes. N. no headings. We only want the pure number value. Output size, only print the size column. d/dev/sdxn, the device which size we want to know. X is for example D, N is e.g., 1 for first partition of disk D. Advantages: root privileges are not needed. grep is not needed. LSBLK is available on most Linux systems.
But the size is in block-based unit. I found this answer here. Other solutions here. Or you can try udisks.
If you want to use that information in a script, for example, using might be easier than fdisk or parm, as it only gives you the relevant information, just multiply by 512. However, it will also require sudo. You could of course change the configuration of sudo such that it allows to execute this specific command without asking for the password. I guess blockdev gets is pretty safe even when executed by a normal non-privileged user. This would be done by adding the following line to /etc/sudoers. When you edit this file, be sure to use the command sudo visudo and not your usual editor. Otherwise it is very easy to make a syntax error, which would result in not being able to use sudo anymore. You would have to reboot into rescue mode to fix this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.